How to fix country option not showing on your FPL application. Hey guys, let's get started. If you're having this problem, first of all make sure you have the latest version of FPL app. You can get it easily via the Play Store or the App Store for iOS, and make sure you click on update if it is available. Another option that you can try is restart the app. Likewise, if it does not work, you can reinstall the application. Another main thing that you can take in consideration is checking for account settings and device region settings. Sometimes region settings on your device can affect what options are displayed on the application. Other than this, you have to ensure a stable internet connection. However, if the issue is still not fixed, you will have to contact the FPL support via the customer support or sending them an email. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.